Cảnh sát, cảnh sát, cảnh sát, văn phòng cảnh sát, ở nhân viên cảnh sát.
Everyone, good evening.
Ừ đó, cô vào rồi đây này. Ok,
Good evening, Mom.
ok, con chào cô đi. Con chào cô đi. Từ từ nào.
Can you hear me, Juan? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Hả?
Huh? Can you hear me? Yes.
Can you, có nghe thấy cô hay không?
Can you hear teacher?
Đi không?
Can you see me?
Is me. Có
Can
nhìn
you
thấy cô
see
không?
teacher? Can you see? Yes.
Thì tập trung vào cái lớp. Tập trung vào.
How are you tonight, Juan? How are you? How are you tonight? Are you happy? Sad? How are you? Good.
Happy.
You're happy. Okay, that's great. Merry Christmas, Juan. Merry Christmas.
Chúc mừng Giáng sinh con ấy. Merry Christmas.
Merry
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, teacher.
Yes, thank you. Merry Christmas, Juan. How can you tell teacher Juan what day is today? What day is today? Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Okay, very good. Today is Thursday. Say it one. Say it in complete sentence. Today. Today is Thursday.
Today is Saturday.
Yes, very good. Today is Thursday. Are you ready with our lesson for tonight? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, okay. Okay, so tonight we will learn about feelings. Say it, feelings. Feelings. Say it one, say it. Feelings. Come on. Feelings.
Silly.
Yeah, when I do like this, you follow teacher, okay? Feelings. Again. Say it one, feelings.
Cô đọc đi, con đọc theo cô đi ạ.
Feelings.
Yes, very good. Okay, please read letter A. Can you read letter A? Listen.
Lesson.
Point.
And say.
Very good. Okay, you're going to listen, point, and say.
Page 4, Unit 1, How We Feel. Lesson 1, Feelings. A. Listen, point, and say. 2,
Sad,
2. Sad.
3,
hot,
4.
4,
Cold.
cold,
5.
5,
hungry,
6,
6.
thirsty,
So it's your turn, one. Come on, it's your turn. Okay, number 1. 1. Happy, very good. Number 2. Number 2.
Sad.
Sad, very good. Number 3. What's that one? Hot. Yes, very good. Number 4. What's that one? What's that one? Cold. Very good. Cold. Number 5. What's number 5? 1. This one. Hungry.
Hungry.
Yeah. Okay, and this one here. Number 6. Want to drink water. Thirsty.
30.
Yes, again, thirsty. 1. Thirsty.
30.
With letter S, 1. Thirsty. Again, so let's read again. Come on, let's read. This one here, number 1 is...
Mẹ đóng cửa nha, mẹ khép cửa rồi.
Yeah, number 1 is this one. That one, number 1. Happy, very good. Number 2. Number 2 is sad. Number 2. Number 2, 1. What's number 2?
Sad.
Sad, very good. Number 3. What's that one? Number 3. Number 3, 1.
Hot.
Okay, this one here, number 4. What's that one? Gold, and this one here. Yes, very good. Number 5. What one? What's that one? Huh? Louder.
Hungry.
Yes, very good. Hungry. And this one here? Number 6 is 1, 2.
30.
Yes, very good. Thirsty. Very good one. Good job. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's move on to letter B. Okay?
Page 4. B. Listen and number. 1,
Good job. Thanks. I'm happy.
2,
I'm cold. My hands are cold. I'm not cold. I'm hot.
3,
Water, please, Mom. I'm thirsty.
Here you are.
Thank you.
4,
Pizza. I'm hungry.
5,
Oh no, my ice cream. I'm sad.
Okay, so you are going to put numbers 1, okay? You are going to put numbers. Okay, number 1. Number 1, happy. Can you write number 1, happy?
Hôm trước học chưa?
Come on, you write number 1, happy.
Happy.
Yeah. Which one? Happy.
Happy.
Yeah, what now? You write the number. Write the number to the circle. Like this, for example. Number 1. Okay, that's 1. Happy. This one here, happy.
Đừng nóng.
Number 2, cold. Number 2, 1, cold. Cold.
Cold.
Yeah, can you write?
Yeah.
Teacher will ask you instead, okay? This one is, look at his face. He is, or his?
He is.
Come on. What's this one here? Huh? Yes, very good. Happy. Number 2. This one.
Cold.
And this one here. This one. What's that one? Hot. Yes, very good. Hot. How about this one here? I want to drink water. That one. What's that? You drink water. I want to drink water. What feeling? One. Thirsty. Say thirsty.
30.
Yes. And this one here? I want to eat pizza. I want to eat pizza.
I want to eat pizza.
Yeah, what's that one? What feeling is that? What feeling? You want to eat pizza. What feeling?
Hungry.
Yes, very good. Hungry. And this one here? Oh no, my ice cream. Oh no, my ice cream. What feeling? He is sad. Very good. Good job, one. Very good. Okay, teacher will give you this one. I will give you this one. Very good. What's this? Cupcake. Cupcake for one. Okay, so this time one, you are going to listen and say, then practice. Okay? Come on, let's read letter C. One, you read letter C. Come on. Listen.
Let's say then picture.
Practice.
Pretty.
Yeah. Okay, you are going to listen
Page
first.
5. C. Listen and say. Then practice.
I'm happy. I'm not sad. I am.
1,
I'm happy. I'm not sad.
2,
2.
I'm sad. I'm not happy.
I'm not happy.
3,
I'm hot. I'm not cold.
I'm not cold.
4,
4.
I'm cold. I'm not hot.
Not hot.
5,
5.
I'm hungry.
I'm
I'm not
hungry.
thirsty.
I'm not thirsty.
6,
6.
I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty.
hungry.
I'm not hungry. Okay, so this time we're going to read this one, okay? Please read. Come on, you read one.
I am happy. I'm not sad.
Yes, very good. I'm happy. I'm not sad. Number 1. Come on. Number 1. Huh? Number 1. I'm what one? I can't hear you. Come on. Yes, very good. I'm happy. Okay. I'm not sad. This one here. Number 2. Number 2.
I'm sad.
Yes, very good. I am sad or am sad. Okay, number 3. Number 3, 1. Yes, very good. I'm hot. Very good. Number 4. Number 4. What's that one? Huh?
Oh.
Answer complete sentence.
I'm cold.
Yes, very good. I'm cold. And this one here, number 5. Look at here, number 5. What is number 5 one? Come on, number 5. Number 5 one. I want pizza. I want pizza. What's that one? Yes,
Pizza.
I'm
hungry.
yes. Yes, very good. How about this one here, number 6? I want water. I want water. I'm
Kitty, I want water.
thirsty. Thirsty. Say it, thirsty. I'm thirsty.
I'm 30.
Not 31, not 30. Thirsty. Thirsty.
Còn mà có người thì đứa kẻ nữa là mẹ
Come
đẻ
on,
con
come
nhé.
on. Thirsty. Come on, do it. Come on, pronounce it correctly. Thirst. Come on, thirst. Thirsty. Thirsty.
30.
Okay. Thirsty. Okay. So letter D. Okay. We are going to learn letter D. Okay. Okay. So you read letter D one. Come on. You read letter D. Listen. Come on.
Nation and uncle.
Ask this one. Ask and answer. Answer. Yeah. Answer. Then practice. Okay. Please read again. One. You read again. Listen. One.
Son, ask and answer. Them party.
Very good. Practice. Practice. Okay. Number one. This one here. Come on. You read. Please read this one.
What?
This one.
Happy.
Yeah. Are you happy? Yes, I am. Or
No, I'm not.
yeah, yes, I am. Or no, I'm not. Okay, this one here. Are you happy? Are you happy? What's your answer? Are you happy? Yes, I am. Okay, again. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, yes, I am. Number two. Are you happy? Number two. Are you happy? No, say no, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Again, teacher will ask you again. Are you happy? This one here, are you happy?
No,
Yeah, no, I'm not. This one here, are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So this one here, are you thirsty? Are you thirsty? Very good. Number five. Are you hot? Are you hot? Are you hot?
I am.
This one hot? This one?
No.
Say no, I'm not.
No.
Okay. Okay. Again, teacher ask you one. Are you hot? Are you hot? Huh?
No, I'm not.
Very good. Okay, number six. Are you hot? Are you hot? Huh? Look at here. Are you hot?
I am.
Yes, I am. Very good. Good job, one. Very good. Okay, so let's have a quick review. Let's have a quick review, then we are going to move to next lesson. Okay, so this one here, come on, let's have a quick review. One. This one is number two. This one is? Huh? Sad. This one here, number one.
Happy.
Number four.
Hot.
Number four, this one, this one. What's number 4? Huh? Okay. Louder. Okay, teacher can't hear you. Number 3. What's that one? Come on. Huh? Okay, and this one here. I want pizza. I want pizza. That one is hungry. Very good. And this one here. I want water. I want water.
Thirsty.
Yes, very
I
good.
want water.
Yes. I'm thirsty. I want water. Okay, good job, one. We are going to move to next lesson. Yeah. Next lesson. Okay, next lesson. We still have time. We still have time. Okay? Lesson 2, feelings. Come on, feelings. Hey, listen. Come on, you read.
Pond and say.
Very good. Listen, point, and say. Okay, you listen first.
Page 6. Lesson 2. Feelings. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Sick,
Sick.
2,
tired,
Tired.
3,
Bored.
bored,
4,
excited.
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 Yeah. Okay, so we will be learning these feelings one. Okay, so this one here, number 1 is, please read. Come on, read. You read number 1. Sick. Come on, sick.
Sick.
Number 2,
Chill.
tired. Tired. Again, tired. Okay, number 3, bored. Bored. Yeah, again, bored. Number 4. Number 4,
Excited.
excited. Excited.
Excited.
Yeah, excited. Okay, so do you know what sick one? Sick. So this one here one. Sick.
Sick.
Đau ốm.
Đau ốm.
Đau ốm.
Oh.
Yeah. This one.
Sick.
Tired.
Mệt.
Mệt.
Yeah, tired is mid. Bored. Bored is
Chán.
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 None. Yeah, bored. And excited.
Hào hứng.
Hào hứng.
Hào hứng.
Hào hứng. That's excited. Okay, number 1. Number 1 is number 1. Come on, 1. Louder, louder. Sick. Okay, number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Tired. Tired. Again. Tired. Tired. Yes, number 3. Number 3.
Number 3. You.
Bored. Bored.
Ball.
Okay, number 4. This one here, number 4.
Excited.
Excited. Okay, very good. Excited. Okay, letter B1. Come on, letter B. Listen. Come on, you read.
Listen and say them better.
Practice. Again, practice.
She
Listen and say, then practice.
sai
Then,
pretty
okay. Then practice. Okay, so this one here.
bung bung
This one, you read.
bung
Come on.
bung bung
Is or she's sick. You read this one. Come on. One. Come on. Our time is almost over. Come on.
He's
He is. And this one.
she
This one.
sick
Okay. You are going to use he. One. Use he if we are referring to a boy. He for boy. She for girl. Yeah.
It's the news.
Yeah. He for boys, then she for girls. Okay? Okay, number 1. What can you see in number 1? Okay, what can you see?
Sick.
Huh?
Sick.
Answer in complete sentence. He's sick. He is sick. He is sick. Come on.
He's
Yeah, he is sick.
sick.
Okay, please read one. You read. Read it properly, one. Come on, you read it properly.
He's sick.
Okay. He is sick. Okay. Number 2. Number 2. She.
Yes. No.
What's that one? Tired, bored, or excited? Number 2. Huh? What's number 2, one? Tired, bored, or excited? What's your answer? Tired, yes, tired. So we will say she's tired. Okay? She's tired.
He's sick now.
Okay, please read number 2, one. You read number 2. You read number 2, come on.
See ya.
She is.
Bye. He.
She, because she's a girl. You will use she if it's a girl, okay? She is tired. Come on. Come on, you read. She is.
He is tired.
Okay, she's tired. How about number 3? Number 3, bored or excited? What's your answer? Bored or excited? Come on. Huh? What's your answer? Number 3. Bored or excited? She is.
She
What's your answer?
is
Bored or excited?
bored.
Okay, very good. She's bored. How about number 4? Number 4, one. Look at that little girl. Okay, look at her. She is. Come on. She is. Yeah. Come on. She is
Excited.
Very good. Excited. Okay, very good. She is excited. Okay, please read this word one. Come on, you read. Number one. Number one.
Sick.
Number two.
Sick. Tired.
Number three.
Sick. Boss.
Number four.
Sick. Excited.
Okay, she is excited. Okay, don't forget the meaning of the words one, okay? Don't forget the meaning of the words, okay? Okay, don't forget
What the?
the meaning of the words. Okay? The words again. Sick, tired, bored, excited. Okay, those are the words. Okay?
Đừng quên ý nghĩa của các từ ốm, mệt, buồn, vui.
Okay, one. Yeah. Okay, good job for tonight, one. Okay, you did well tonight. Hi, mommy. Please let him know the
Yes.
meaning of these words. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good job for tonight, one. Teacher will say bye. Bye.
Bye bye cô đi.
Teacher.
Bye. Bye, mommy. Merry Christmas.
Yes. Bye bye. Bye bye
Bye.
teacher.